So this is to raise and lower the post, so that should be unlocked. Hopefully that's locked, unlocked. Then we're going to raise this up, and we need to make sure it clears by 1/4 of an inch. So that's the size of a pencil, or your push stick. This is a little over 1/4 of an inch. This is 3/8. So a little bit more than that. And here are the other push sticks. So you might need another one. You have to make sure you insert one of the dowels into the air chamber. And first we're going to cut out the side view. Okay, so we've got our 1/4 inch there between the bearing guide, the ball bearing guide, and make sure that that's locked. So it's a bolt with a big handle on it. And then we push the green start button. Okay, and notice, just don't panic, don't overreact if you cut inside or you're outside. It's okay. You're gonna have to do, this is a rough cutting tool. You're gonna have to do a lot of sanding anyway. So don't panic if it doesn't seem to be going exactly how you like it. So now we need to tape this back together. So come over here, I'll show you where the tape is. Okay, you can see the tape. Tape is right here. We need to tape this back together because we need to be able to see our top pattern. Two pieces should be enough. Or, taping it in 2 spots. Okay, let's cut the top view. are very rough blank, but it saves us a lot of sanding. And you can peel off your pattern and start sanding away. Air chamber's intact, it's aerodynamic, it's light. Now we just need to smooth it out.